Morning everyone. Welcome to Data Structure using C++ lecture series. Before starting data structure, we need to understand a few concepts of C++. C++ is the programming language used to give the instruction to computer. Now let us see one simple C++ program. So we write first hash include IOStream. Angle bracket we can use. In that angle bracket you have to use IOStream. Then next instruction is namespace using namespace std. Sir, what is IOStream? It's used for input and output operation. What is namespace? You using namespace means it will help us to write simple C++ command like cout and cin. Then sir, what is main function? It is the start of the program, starting point of the program. Then what is cout? In the angle bracket you just write in double quote hello data structure is used to display the output on the screen. Now next, let us understand what is variable. So when we write int age equal to 20, let's say. So variable is nothing but the named memory location. So we can give name for the memory location to store the data. And meanwhile, we can also take the input from user also for storing the data. So for that, we use first we have to declare it. Let's say int number cin again angular bracket number. Now suppose we want to store marks of 100 student, so we have to create 100 variable, and that is not a good solution. Instead of that, we can use array. How to declare array? Int of marks in bracket 100. So array helps us to store multiple value of same type using single name. So in next lecture we'll understand what is data structure and its data types. So this is simple C++ program